Come hang out with us for all things Star Wars here at Megacon.
Hey, Pelly. I'm looking for some new parts for my hill. Do you have anything that's gonna upgrade it next level?
Not today, I don't think. I'll come back later.
Are you gonna charge me an arm and a leg?
Yes.
Sounds good. Sounds about right. This whole Star Wars section is so awesome, you guys. There are themed sections in here. It's kind of like a marketplace. You can find almost anything that you want in here. The cosplay is amazing. We have a Rancor Cantina, very cool. We have a probe droid, Pelly at her shop, the armorer. It's mind-blowing. It's so good. If you come to this convention, you have to find the Star Wars section. It's out of this world.
Now, you all didn't steal that from people, right? No. We won't tell if you don't. Oh, look at that!
Jawas is generous.
The generous Jawas. The Jawas just ran off with a lightsaber, that's all, you know.
Hey guys, welcome to Crafted Core. We make double-sided custom kyber crystals that work in the Galaxy's Edge lightsabers. You put in the color one way, it creates one color, and then when you flip it around, it does the other color. So you have two colors in one crystal. CraftedCores.com. Also find us on Instagram at Crafted Core.
What do you have as far as like light side characters?
Right now we've got the Obi-Wan. This one is my favorite.
Yeah.
It's like a ghost. You can
Okay.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. We've got Ahsoka, which
Oh, and
Not
it
in my way at all.
looks like...
Go right in.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh,
That is
that's
so
awesome.
Yeah, that one is one of my favorites. It's really pretty.
That's really cool.
I think for the light side, that's it. I have a Boba Fett as well.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Which I can pull out if you want to
Yeah, let me see. So this is the Obi-Wan ghost. It's got his face in it. Oh my god, that is awesome.
Awesome.
And if
So-
you want, I can show you how they work in the lightsabers.
Yeah, that would be great.
I'll show you the Ahsoka.
Okay.
So it's got white.
I'm getting in there.
Oh man,
cool.
that's cool. Now if it's inserted in a holocron, it's gonna have her voice?
It will.
Okay.
It will.
Now is it her Clone Wars voice or her
Okay,
live
we'll
act-
show you guys.
Okay.
You might not be able to hear it, so loud.
Skywalker was my master. I thought he died at the end of the Clone Wars, but his true fate was far worse. He'd been consumed by the dark side.
That's cool.
Yep.
That has me tearing up. That's so awesome. That's really cool. If you all have any Savi's workshop sabers or the holocrons, either the Jedi or Sith from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, check them out. They make custom kyber crystals that can be inserted. Each of them has two voices, and you can fill out your kyber crystal collection through them and know exactly what character you're going to get. Really love their stuff, and I might take a look at a couple kyber crystals while we're here.
Gonna spend more money?
Spend more money.
All right. That's why we're here.
First art, now kyber crystals.
That's right.
We found the coolest car here on the convention floor. It is a Millennium Falcon Star Wars car. We got to chat with the owner who's planning on taking it on a road trip. She's modernizing it. But her favorite character is Chewie, and now Chewie is always her co-pilot, which we thought was so cool. Over here as well, there's a lot of collectibles from Star Wars as well, from Mando's Amon bow rifle to a cool like Chewie head bust thing, BB-8, and so many cool things. We found these adorable Adora Droids and got to talk to the creator and how she got started. She actually bought a droid for herself but wanted it to be pink. So she decided to paint it herself and loved it so much that she wanted to create more for other people and created Adora Droids. So let's talk to her and check out some of the droids she's created.
These are all from Disney's Galaxy's Edge.
Okay.
They all fully function. They have matching controllers. They interact with the droids at the park. And then as you can see, when they sporadically go off with each other, and they're just interacting with one another.
They're very beautiful. Do you have like a favorite you've created?
So, I mean, I can't say this too loud because they're all listening, but honestly, Mags, our little alchemist here, she is probably one of my favorites.
That is gorgeous. I love the base she's on too.
Thank you. I really went a little over the board with all her little details. And then we do have a cute little sprite in the front who has ram horns, who I love her too.
I assume you have an online shop?
Yes, and so it is AdoraDroids.com. I kept all the socials the same name just to try and keep it easy.
Thank you so much. I really do love them. They're beautiful. I love the sketch ones.
Thank you. I love that set too.
Yeah, I feel like they're right out of like the Borderlands video game.
Exactly. That's why Chopper is actually named Moxie.
Oh, I love it. So you did go Borderlands
I did.
with it.
It's kind of niche, so not everyone would recognize it right away. But that's why I kind of picked their names to go
I love
with
it. Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name's Renee.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so
Have
much.
a good con.
Thank you.
We're over here at the Southern R2 Builders booth, and there are so many awesome R2 units, from steampunk, one for cystic fibrosis, which is purple and really cool, and a pit droid over here in the corner on a chair that is hysterical. And we got to chat a little bit about how to get started creating your own astromech, and it can range in price anywhere from like $300 depending on the parts to 10 grand, but it's really cool. We'll put a link here and let you guys know how to get started if you want to make your own R2 unit one day.
If somebody wanted to start doing this and has never built anything robotic in their lives, what would your suggestion be? Where to start?
Astromech.net. You can get involved there and then start your process. But it's a labor of love.
That's how you do it.
We found some really awesome Star Wars art by Greg Krivak, and he does really unique things like putting characters together from same kind of genres like Cad Bane with Clint Eastwood. I really loved Rudolph with Grogu. I thought that was really cute. It kind of combines two of my favorite things with Holiday, and I grew up watching Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and I love The Mandalorian. And just beautiful art in general, from the Armorer, Dark Side prints, really awesome full Mandalorian prints. Definitely make sure to check him out. He does sell everything online.
My name's Greg Krivak. I'm a Comic-Con artist. I do a lot of cover work and some industry stuff. This is all my work. I grew up oil painting, so I usually start on canvas about this size, or maybe this size, 18 by 24. And you can find all of my contact details probably in a link provided.
No convention when you're looking at Star Wars stuff is complete without some lightsabers, and Ultrasabers has been in the business for a very long time. They make really beautiful replica sabers, their own, and what's awesome about them is they're very durable, so you can use them in actual saber combat. But I want to show you guys a couple of my favorites that they have here. This Ezra hilt is one of my favorites. I love Ezra's saber that has the blaster on it. It was super creative when he made it in Rebels and like fit his personality so well. And it's one day I definitely have to get. And it has the ignition as well with the blue blade. I want to show you guys one more. As a video game fan, I am a huge fan of the Jedi Fallen Order games, and they have a replica Cal Kestis hilt. This is in red, it comes in blue, and then they do have black just like Cal's saber. But the details are amazing, it is gorgeous. It's actually really light. And what I like too is the speakers down below are open, so you get more of the sound when you turn it on as well. Let's ignite it. Oh,
nice sound.
We have some purple right there. And then you can get them with interchangeable colors too, which is nice. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Megacon for an awesome Star Wars filled day.
We had such an amazing time.
If you guys had a good time hanging out with us, make sure to check out our Megacon Day 1 vlog and hang out with us here some more. We'll see you guys soon.
Look at you. What are you doing here though?
You're looking for some cool merch too. Okay.
He's looking for all the Star Wars cosplay.
I love all his beeps and boops.
I know, he looks amazing.